So how to transfer money from NatWest to another bank. So transferring money on NatWest is very simple. If you open up the NatWest app, you'll just want to click on the payment section at the bottom here. Then from there, select send money. Then once you've done that, you'll just want to select make a payment and then pay someone new. And then once you've done that, you'll be opened up to this page here, and you'll just want to go ahead and enter the bank details of the account that you want to pay. Then once you've entered them, click verify. And then if you've done everything correctly, it will then tell you if the bank details match with the name. And as you can see in our example, they do. So we'll go ahead and continue. So now the banking details are saved, we can then go ahead and verify how much we want to send. So if we scroll down a bit, we'll get to this section here. So you'll just want to input the amount you want to send. So for the example of this video, we'll say we want to send £10. Then as you can see here as well, you'll also need to input a reference. So obviously for the example of this video, I've put in YouTube. So you can put in a reference right here before you send. But if you are happy with everything, click continue. Then from there, it might give you a few warnings about fraud and scams, but this is standard procedure. As long as you've checked everything and it matches, you should be good to go. And then one final thing, you'll be asked to verify it one more time. And if you're happy with it, click continue. And it is as simple as that. And you have now successfully transferred money in NatWest to another bank account. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.